Grabe, kakapasok lang ng balita. Isang blind item para sa isang love team couple na may headline na with a movie and teleseries set to release this year. Fans are more excited than ever. Ang Astres na kaya ito? Bago tayo pumunta sa pinaka-exciting na part ng balita, mag-like ka muna at mag-subscribe para updated ka sa pinaka-mainit na chismis sa showbiz. This rising love team is quickly becoming one of the brightest names in the industry. Even though they are still new, their performances already stand out, surprisingly polished for fresh talents. They show great versatility, easily fitting into different roles and projects. Off camera, they stay humble and grounded, close to their families, friendly with peers, and even spend time with their directors. On screen, they always give their best. Casting directors love working with them, and online they are unstoppable. Their hashtag is the most viewed among all love teams on TikTok. And every video they post get millions of views. With a movie and teleserye set to release this year, fans are more excited than ever. And adding to the buzz, the duo was recently seen in Palawan with another director. Now fans are asking, could this be the start of their next big project? Ang Astres love team na kaya ito? Yan ang dapat nating abangan.